Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and in the best condition of health and iman. Grade 5, this is your English lesson, and in this lesson today we will revise creative writing. Today we will revise creative writing exercise number 3, part A and C. Page number 25, 26 and 28. Page number 25. Using the helping words in the box, complete the sentences in the passage. Describe in detail the scenery as seen through the eyes of the writer. Now, dear students, using the helping words in the box, helping words are given and we have to complete the sentences in the passage. The passage which is given, we have to complete the sentences. Describe in detail the scenery has seen through the eyes of the writer. Now we have to complete this passage with the help of the given words which are given in the box. And the words are dark clouds, streak, horizon, hover, roaring of thunder, rainbow, gust of wind, humid, stretch, rustling of leaves, storm, orange, fireball, a flash of lightning, fresh, fresh mist. Here spelling of fresh are wrong, Fresh, fresh. Now, the passage is page number 25. As I wandered along the path to the park, I felt a sudden gust of wind. Without warning, the sky was filled with dark clouds. The trees were beginning to shake and leaves were rustling. Rustling. I looked up and saw a flash of lightning. Having no umbrella with me, I ran as quickly as I could to the nearest shelter in the park. By the time I took cover, my clothes were already wet through. After waiting for 15 minutes, the rain finally stopped. It was only then that I realized how beautiful the park could be after a heavy rain. The air was so fresh, cool, calm. Above the canopy of the trees, there seemed to be a slide. Even the bushes and flowers beside the shelter seemed to glow. In the aftermath, the storm. Up in the sky, I could see a beautiful streak of rainbow. I had never taken the time to appreciate what nature had to offer me. After today, I will always keep my eyes open for such beauty that nature provides for me. Now, dear students, part C, an acrostic poem. An acrostic poem. What is meant by acrostic poem? Acrostic poem is a piece of writing whereby the first to the last letter spells out a word vertically. Now, acrostic poem is a poem where first letter to the last letter spells out vertically. Vertically, the letters will be spelled out. The beginning letter of each line is used to make a sentence that tells you of the subject you are writing. The first sentence will tell us how to make the next complete sentence. With the help of the first letter, we have to make one word. First word we have to make with the help of the first letter, beginning letter, which will be given vertically. And then we have to make a complete sentence. Write an acrostic poem on the following scenery by means of describing it in full. For example, you can see here beach is written vertically. Beach is written vertically. You can see here in the picture. Beach. Beach. Now, first letter is beach and we have to make first word basking in the hot sun. Clear? Eating sandwiches by the shore. Eating sandwiches by the shore. Adults playing volleyball. Adults playing volleyball. Children splashing all around in the sea. Children splashing all around in the sea. Having lots of fun. Clear? Beach is written vertically and then we make sentences, and first word we started with first letter which was given vertically. This one is clear now. Next, first one is sunset. Sunset, as you can see over here, and we have to make next word with the help of the first letter. We have to make word, for example, spores of people. spores, spores of people. U, under the bright sun. N, night is arriving. S, sun is at the horizon or horizon. E, extending a warm glow. T, thrilled to see the wonder of nature. Spores of people, under the bright sun. Night is arriving, sun is at the horizon, extending a warm glow, thrilled to see the wonder of nature. Dear students, you have to practice these pages. These are very important pages, and send me on my WhatsApp number. This is your today's task. Thank you.